What's up, guys? We're back again on the TT, and we're gonna start taking the wheels off, because it turns out you need to take the wheels off to get the front bumper off. I've taken the bottom trim off and loads of other bits, but let's get the wheels off. Let's go. So we're just getting the front wheel loosened off, ready to remove later on, so we can get the front bumper off. And we have got new wheels coming for the TT, which I'm going to reveal in a later video at the end of the build. So stay tuned for that. And then up next, we're getting the bonnet off, and it's quite a sticky one. Is the bonnet a one-man job on the TT in the dark? I mean, we're soon going to find out, because it's either going to fall and break, or everything's going to be alright. So let's just see it. I ain't got no one else to help, so we're just going to give it a shot. Shit. Well, this ain't good to plan. I think we got it. Jesus. Now that was a job and a half. It's a one-man job. With TPR Autos, it's a one-man job. What's up, guys? Today is the day. The front bumper's off the Audi. We're on to removing the rad pack, and basically, once we've removed the rad pack, we're gonna fit a new one, go get it tomorrow, and unfortunately, we've got to find a new front bumper, because the front bumper's misshaped and sort of bent in, so the grille isn't fitting the way it should. I thought I could save this bumper, but it's looking like we're going to need another one. So, let's get into it. Let's start removing these bolts. And now, I'm guessing we've got to remove these bolts here. So we're going to remove all them four, these four here, and then hopefully it should sort of come loose. Come back when they're all off. Now it's onto all these little bolts here. Take two. So we're going to get this rad pack off now, hopefully. There's still one thing holding it in, but I have a feeling that it should just lift off. And that's keeping it in. Literally just this one thing that's holding it in. You know what we're going to do? Now we're just getting the last couple bits removed to get the rad pack to fully come off. So I'll come back when the rad pack's removed and we'll go from there. We've just went and picked up the new rad pack, and I'll show you what we've done on the TT and what we're going to do next. Right, so here's the TT as it sits. We've removed these bolts here and we've got this off. You just got to get that off. So basically the plan of attack is to remove this rad, put the new one on, put the surround round it, and then it'll be ready for both the headlights, and it should be all good to start reassembling basically, guys. So that's where we're up to. So let's get that rad pack all taken apart, AC rad off of it, AC rad on air, and the surround on. And just like that, the front rad is removed. Let's stick the new one on. Just like that, the new rad's on. That's on. So now let's get on to putting that on. Let's get it. Guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Obviously, we've done a fair bit. We've got all this fixed, but we've run out of daylight yet again. So in tomorrow's video, hopefully a new video tomorrow, maybe the next day, we'll be chucking on this rad packs around, putting the lights in and putting the bumper on, trying to repair the bumper and getting this car all finished up. And then the wheels, which you guys will see when the car's done, just finish off the car. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment down below what you want to see, and comment down below what wheels you think I'm putting on the TT.